Hello friends, today we are going to discuss error recovery strategies which are available in a syntax analysis or in a compiler. Now next one is syntax error handling. In last lecture we already discussed that there are different roles which is to be performed by syntax analysis or parser to create a parse tree. So first role is to create a parse tree. Second one is to create uh, the symbol table and keep the track line of the numbers. And next one is error generation. So how does this error is to be generated? This thing is to be we will discuss over here. Syntax error handling. So we already discussed these things, and I use you already aware about these things or this error, that is syntax error. Okay, whenever we compile a program and if the particular instruction is in not in a form, at that time compiler generate a syntax error. Oh, okay. So that error which is to be generated by the syntax analysis. Goals in error handling: it report the presence of a error clearly and accurately. It recover from each error quickly enough to detect subsequent errors. It add minimal overhead to the processing of correct programs. There are different four strategies which are available in syntax analysis. That is panic mode recovery strategy, phrase level recovery, error production, and global correction. Now, panic mode recovery. The parser discards input symbol one at a time until one of a designated set of synchronized tokens is found. The synchronizing tokens are usually delimiters such as semicolon or parenthesis, open bracket. Skip a considerable amount of input without checking of additional errors. It has the advantage of simplicity and it guaranteed not to go into an infinite loop. So this is the panic mode recovery strategy. It will discard input until a particular error is to be found out. Phrase level recovery. It performs local correction of the remaining input. It may replay a prefix of the remaining input by some string that allow the parser to be continued, but that prefix is to be already available in the compiler. Okay, now a typical local correction is to replace a comma by a semicolon. It delete an extraneous semicolon, insert an missing semicolon. Disadvantage is copying with situation in which the actual error occurred before the point of the detection. This is for phrase level recovery. Error production. It expands the grammar for the language at hand with production that generate the erroneous constructs. So expansion of the particular grammar, if that string the suitable grammar or suitable CFG is not available for that particular instruction, so expansion is to be performed with the help of error production. The parser can then generate appropriate error diagnostics about the erroneous construct that has been recognized in the input. Now next one is global correction. Compiler to make as few changes as possible in processing an incorrect input string. It given an incorrect input string X grammar G, algorithm will find a positive for a related string Y such that number of insertion, deletion and changes of the token required for transfer X into Y is small as possible. Uh, but lastly what we can say that this all the things which not implemented, these are theoretically proven but practically this thing is not implemented. Okay, so there are different error recovery strategies. We discuss global correction, error productions, phrase level recovery, panic mode recovery, error, and there are four strategies we discuss: panic mode recovery, phrase level recovery, error production, and global correction. Okay, this is for error recovery strategies. Thank you.